So why not the children will have the same? They are not the separate category of human beings. If we spend time for the children, we will build the future of the country. It is the children are our next generation. We cannot forget about them. 1 in every 5 child in the world is in India. Every day, 63,000 Indian children are born. Every day, 63,000 children are born in India. In India, it is taking its time, although there are so many things already have mentioned here. So, although it is too late to protect them, how they will be grown up, so many things from the government side, the number of this act has been made, but it is being laid. I think we should emphasize more to protect them. Regarding this child marriage, child labor, so many things have been mentioned here, juvenile justice, then street children, disabled children. So we have to look after them. At the same time, I firmly believe that the children of this region are full of talent, creativity and resilience. With the right support, they can shine not only in India but also across the world. Childcare institutions in Tripura, we have working tirelessly to safeguard and empower our children. And I am mentioning here some of the highlights like childcare institutions. Here we are running about 44 children care institutions, providing shelter and care to nearly 950 children. We have a juvenile justice mechanism. In all, we have 8 districts in Tripura. All 8 districts of Tripura now have juvenile justice boards and child welfare committees to ensure protection and rehabilitation of children in need. We have sponsorship and foster core. More than 4,200 children are being supported under the sponsorship program. Already our Honorable Minister already have mentioned. While 38 children have been placed in foster care and proper financial assistance. We have after care service, 14 young adults have been assisted with guidance, reintegrations after leaving child care institutions, then adoption from 2022 to 2025. 28 children have found loving homes through legal adoption. Special juvenile police units, these units are now active in every district ensuring child-friendly procedures during investigation and care. Then we have one-stop centers. We have 8 operational centers with 2 more sanctioned to provide integrated support to children and women facing violence. We have Childline 1098. Our 24/7 helpline is active throughout the state, ensuring immediate rescue and support for children in distress. Our government prioritizes this universal school enrollment, especially in remote areas, to ensure that no child is left behind. Nutrition and health under ICDS and Poshan Abhiyan, 2.29 lakh children were covered in July 2050 to 2025 alone, improving nutrition, growth monitoring and prevention malnutrition. They are not schemes, they reflect our unwavering commitment to building a safe, nurturing and empowering